day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Thursday, December 12th. I'll let you guys know what we did today. Great day in the room today. We had a lot of trades. Some of them we had to hit a couple times because they kind of went for like to where we got some profits, and then sometimes we could we move our stops tight. So if they don't go right away, or there's a little bit more volatility than normal, then we got to get in again until it goes the minimum what we're looking to do. So you'll see here we got short. This was a power play. We actually we were in at 37.50, went down to 31, but again, there was a tweet by President Trump. So it had went over 20 ticks. Move your stop down, and they just went up because there was the China deal or whatever was proposed. So made some money there, and market came up. Said we were going to get long if we could. We tried to get long on a pullback here. Didn't come down deep enough, so we took our next trigger that came in, which was a power play, valid trade. That was on the 954 candle at 84.54. 84.54. Told everybody that it should go to a minimum of 60 to 61, but probably was going to go to at least 64, even if it failed from there. So there was plenty of room. There was over almost 40 ticks there, 20 to 40 ticks. 25 to 40 ticks in here, even if it didn't go any higher. And once it got above there, then it just went off to the races. Now again, this one, when we hit here the first time, it had made almost 15 ticks. But again, if you move your stop down, you would have been taken out of that. I said you got to hit it again, because this one, it did not get to the 60-61 yet. So it was kind of like, hey, we gotta at least try it again until it gets to the 60-61. We don't always hit them again. And that bad boy made, again, the minimum of what I call was 25 to 40. I mean, as you can see, it went up higher with not a lot of heat. With any reasonable trail, you could have made a boatload. People were getting out at different prices, but the thing did go solidly from 54, well over 200 ticks. Well, 160, 94, and then 160 ticks, 40 plus points. We didn't do anything short until here. I did not want to miss this down move. I did not want to miss this down move, and I told everybody here that it was probably going to go up to 79.80. If you want to be in, it's a little aggressive. We got in at 77, so that was a stop out. And when it got stopped out, I said if it fails and it stays here, we're going to hit it again. I'm like, because this was, now some people waited. Not everybody took this trade. Some people waited for the better price, but I did give people the opportunity to get in there, so that would have been a loser. 81, we hit it again. We pounded it, and that sucker went all the way down. First, opportunity, I said it was probably going to go here where there was any sign of any, potential issue. Not that there was a material change, but any type of potential issue. So I definitely said take some profits in there. But again, that was from 80. Well over 100 ticks. It went over 200 and something, 200. But again, we got in again anyway, so it doesn't matter. And then here we hit a power play. Beautiful trade I called, 30 quarter. And that trade went down for over 60 ticks like that. If you had your ATMs and your targets sitting there, almost everybody was filled on everything. We tell people to put your second and third targets, if you have a third target, just set it at 40 or 50 ticks, just in case you get a move like that. You can always adjust it if it takes longer. It doesn't always go 50 ticks that quick, but if you're there, at least you can get filled, and then you're done. And it hasn't actually went any further from here, but great trade there to end the morning. And we're going to come back. Tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.